Hey YouTube, how's it going? Hope you're all good. Today I just got the Navitech action camera rucksack. I saw this on Amazon for $9.99. Thought, is that too good to be true? So let's take a look at it and find out. I'm going to show you some of the features of the bag and go through some of the things that I like. So the main selling points of this bag are the action camera quick buckle mounts. There's one on the front, and of course it comes with a chest mount. We'll go into those a little bit later on. The quality of the bag feels pretty good at first sight. You know, it's one of those ones, it's not the best, but it's good. It's really good. So for $9.99, it's going to be one of those ones where see how it lasts the test of time, but on first opening it, I'm really impressed for the price point. I've seen this at much higher prices on various other places on the internet and even on Amazon. That price point tends to come with a action camera hard case that goes inside this hard compartment here. I got it without the camera hard case. I'm mainly going to be using this action camera rucksack for my Insta360 1RS, which I keep in this hard case here. So in this hard case I have the majority of my Insta360 accessories ready to go. My hope was that it would fit in the front section of the bag. On the measurements on Amazon, I did notice this was a little bit big. Let's go into this front section first. Now, what I like about this that it didn't quite explain is the dimensions on Amazon give you this here, but it does go all the way inside. So even if you have a bigger case like this one, then the dimensions, you can slip it in and up, and it's nice and protected, double protection with the hard outer shell, so that's a really good feature. Moving on, inside the bag it still gives you quite a big compartment to fit even more gear in. The other two things that I'd normally take around with me would be my Insta360 Flow and my Rode Video Micro, which is not actually in the case because I'm using to record the audio for this video with it. So Video Micro case, Insta360 Flow fit case, I'll easily fit inside of there. Absolutely ideal, so really good start. It's got a pouch on the back which will also fit iPad Pro inside. I've also got my DJI Mini 3 drone in the Fly More kit bag, which will go on top. So there we go. Large action camera case for the Insta360 1RS, Rode Video Micro case, Insta360 Flow case, and DJI Mini drone in the Fly More case, all fit inside. What more could you possibly need to fit inside this bag? Here I have the Telison 3-meter selfie stick. What I really liked about this is the strap on the side has this extra loop, so you can put the 3-meter selfie stick in, push it into the pocket, pull that nice and tight, and when you clip it in, pull that, and that's a really nice touch. It stops it from wobbling about when you're walking. So let's talk about the extra compartments in this rucksack. It's got this really nice section here. In the first compartment, extra memory card, screen cloth, USB-C cable, all for easy access. I would take this Ulanzi light, handy to have, keep it in a soft bag. Extra long 2-meter USB to USB-C cable. So now I've got it fully loaded with the majority of my stuff. Let's see what it feels like on. So it's got waist strap. Now one of the things I really like about the waist strap is it's got these side pockets here Now I like to also take a little mini action camera case if I've got my camera handheld, or I just want to not have to keep going in and out and getting the main case, and that fits really nicely into the side pocket. Now, one of the main selling points of this action camera rucksack is the built-in chest mount. Now, it didn't come with any instructions on how to do this, but it's actually really self-explanatory. You've got these little loops on here, so hook that one on there, and here, hook that one on there, and then with this strap, hook that one on there. And there we go, we've got the chest mount built into the rucksack, which is kind of handy. It's lightweight, it's not obtrusive. Obviously I'm only wearing a t-shirt at the moment. I have to see what that's like if I've got a bigger coat on, but yeah, so far so good. Pretty impressed. Have a look at the back while it's on. Fit. Pretty good. When I'm out with my GoPro, I have it on one of these quick release buckles that's attached to the GoPro mini tripod and the newer quick release. It's kind of a nice touch. Feels pretty sturdy. Might not recommend this for running. It might be a little bit bouncy. Probably get it in a better position so it's not so close to my chin, but I think with some adjustments to the straps and getting used to how to put this on to fit you best, I think that's a really good fit, and the jump up and down, it's not too bad. It's pretty stable, so I would say the chest mount is very sufficient for lightweight GoPro filming, action camera filming. So quite pleased with that. Let's talk about this back mount here. Let's see. Obviously, if you just had your action camera and quick release buckle, the weight would be a bit less, but that is a really good solid fit. I'm really pleased with that. I'm not quite sure where I'd use that. Maybe if you was cycling in a group and you wanted to film the people behind you, or out with a walk with a group of people, you might want to film those behind you. As a solo filmer, I'm not entirely sure how much I'd use that. I don't think I'd feel safe walking around on my own with an expensive action camera attached to the back of it, but I'm sure as time goes on I'll find a use for that, and it's really solid. It's a good fit. So as well as all the equipment, obviously you've got a pocket on the other side for another water bottle, and one of the things I haven't mentioned yet is at the front it has an extra mesh pocket, and it has these two holes here. Now what you could probably use there is, I would probably put a power bank in there, multi-power bank, and have cable coming out of there that you could use to charge your action camera or your phone on the go. Or if you had your phone in there, you could have your headphones coming out of there to listen to some music. So there's one at each side. That's a nice touch. At the top of the bag, got a little clip loop. Not sure what I'd use this for, maybe to put my keys on or something like that. All in all, I picked this up for $9.99. That's less than a tenner, and I am really impressed with it. I can't wait to take it out, see how it feels going out and about when I'm doing some filming, see how it stands the test of time. I highly recommend it. Check it out. It's worth a tenner. It's worth every penny I've spent. I'm not sure if you get it for the same price in other countries, but in the UK, £9.99. Can't complain. So thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and if you found it useful, please do give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing some more product reviews. You can see some more of their content that I've created as well. Cheers.